warm welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to show you how to make Pina Colada. It's a blend of pineapple and coconut. The delicious pineapple flavors and fragrant coconut all blended together in an icy beverage that's fantastic for cooling off on a hot day and can be a perfect flavorsome delight for iftar. So let's get started. For making this, I have taken 1 cup of diced pineapple, 1 cup of pineapple juice, 1 cup of coconut milk, I have used this coconut milk, and 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can skip sugar if you don't want, ice, and a cup of vanilla ice cream. Now in a blender, I'll take pineapple and add pineapple juice and sugar to it and blend it to few pulses. After blending it to few pulses, we will be adding other ingredients. I'll add coconut milk, desiccated coconut. You can skip it if you don't want too much of coconut flavor. Ice, you can add more ice also if you want. Ice cream. Blend it to few more pulses till everything's mixed. So here our delicious Pina Colada is ready. It's loaded with refreshing flavors of coconut and pineapple and tastes amazing. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.